Ready to jump in on these the new tickers that I follow, ADMP and WTER. Again, these both recently made golden crosses. Just kind of show you what that is. You can see here where the green line, the 50-day average, is crossing above the 200. These tend to play out very bullishly, and the screener that I have through bar chart, now that they've given me a premier membership because of the channel, has allowed me to do that. So I'm hoping to track these and share them with others who might be interested in such things. Basically, I track golden crosses for stocks under $2. So anyway, so I wanted to look at these. These are ADMP. This is, I'm also going to start looking at the frequency here. Chart. So this is the one-day intraday. This was an issue where we had a low, lower low, lower low, and what we had here in RSI was a low, a higher low, a higher low, and a higher low, which to me is very key for a nice entry point on a dip, or if it was a long-term trend, a reversal. So I'm super excited about this one. Right here, it is at a bargain at $1.15. I want to look at the daily chart. You can see here, this is the 1 month with daily candles. You can see here it's moving in a really nice trend. The buy signal has stayed above the moving average for the entire month, which is just excellent. Weekly, when this is looking at the 1 year. You see we have our dip right there, but then it's coming up and we are in good territory. And look at that, the slow stochastic, I mean, just vicious or maybe ferocious momentum is a better way to put that. You know, the RSI doing well, MACD coming down and then swooping up in a big way. Look at the spread between those two lines there, and the on balance volumes looking good. I feel like this is going to be one of these stocks that once it gets its motor running, because when it did the golden cross, it just happened to be at a point where the price was coming down along this price channel. So anyway, so I'm getting excited about it rearing up its engine. Now WTER really made me happy today. This is the 1 day. Clearly we crossed the buy signal there in a big way. That was fantastic. Wasn't really doing much, and then just starts running, and that is just super exciting to see. That's what I was expecting to see with that golden cross. Here I'm looking at the sorry, that's the intraday. That's not what I wanted. I'm going to look at the daily. That's 1 month. Look at that. We have been in solid buy, moving along a trend line, doing really great. Interesting little candle there, huh? I'll be curious to see what happens. Slow stochastic coming out of overbought. We might see a dip up, might see a curve up. Clearly the MACD is a little confused as to what it wants to do. I'm keeping my eye right here on my buy signal for now. Let's jump into the weekly. And we can see here that that we've come up above, doing well. I think that 200-day moving average right there, that's going to be an interesting resistance. I might actually scale out at that point. I might take some profits because we've hit it 3 times, right? And I'll be really curious to see if we can get out of it again. So what I'll do is probably sell 50% of my shares on this and take those profits and then reinvest those on the next dip in the way I did on that how to buy on a red day video. So I mean, things are just going well with these two. Really excited. If you're interested in either one of them, Alkaline Water, Shaquille O'Neal just joined their advisory board and became their brand ambassador. ADMP, the National Institute of Health, has just pointed to something, one of their their respiratory medicines, as a COVID solution. So I mean, both have interesting stories to tell. I'm excited. dip into these if you're curious, or just message me to learn more. Bye.